The future of intelligence has arrived, thanks to Google Gemini, the tech giant's most impressive leap into the world of artificial intelligence. But Gemini isn't just another language model, it's a multimodal marvel that shatters limitations. Forget text snippets and robotic responses, Gemini can work with all kinds of information, from code to pictures, music, and videos. It handles them all easily. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. By the end of this video, you'll discover 10 mind-blowing capabilities that will redefine what AI can do. Number 1. Multimodal Capability. Imagine a world where you can talk about a scene and see it appear right in front of you. Picture chatting about a painting, and suddenly you're hearing all about the artist's story. That's what Google Gemini could do. It's changing how we think about what technology can do. Google Gemini understands what you say and makes it real. It brings your ideas to life. Google Gemini is a new kind of artificial intelligence developed by Google. The special thing about Gemini is that it's multimodal, meaning it can process and make sense of various types of information simultaneously. It's designed to be good at understanding different things, like text, images, and audio all at once. Unlike GPT-4, which mostly deals with text, Gemini can handle a mix of things. This makes it great at tasks like describing images, answering questions about videos, and translating spoken words, things that GPT-4 isn't as good at. Gemini is built to be accurate, fast, and flexible. It's a versatile AI that can work with words, images, and sounds all together. While GPT-4 is excellent with text, Gemini takes it a step further by being a multitasker with text, images, and audio. That's why Gemini is considered a powerful AI, opening up exciting possibilities for the future. Number 2. Unmatched knowledge and accuracy. Gemini has been trained on a massive mix of text, images, audio, and code, way more than GPT-4. This makes Gemini a knowledge expert with a wide range of information, and it's good at figuring out how different things connect. Because of its big and diverse training set, Gemini stays in the know with the latest info. So when you ask it something, it's not only smart but also stays up to date, giving you accurate and trustworthy answers. It knows a bit about everything, and is always on top of what's happening. Gemini can sift through enormous piles of information, spot patterns and trends, and even come up with ideas for more digging. This isn't just great, it could shake up how we make big discoveries in science. Imagine game-changing finds in medicine, tech, and loads of other areas, all thanks to Gemini's brainpower. Number 3. Gemini's 3 versions. Gemini has 3 versions: Ultra, Pro, and Nano. Each does its own thing and has different plans for rolling out. First up, there's Gemini Nano, a smaller, more efficient version that can run directly on Android devices. It's the compact edition. Now, in the middle, there's Gemini Pro. It strikes a balance between power and efficiency and outperforms Google's previous flagship model, Palm 2. Right now, it's doing some heavy lifting as the engine behind the Bard chatbot, making conversations smoother. And lastly, we have Gemini Ultra, which is the powerhouse of the Gemini lineup, the big player. It's not just good, it's exceptional at handling complex reasoning, even outdoing OpenAI's GPT-4 in various challenges. Gemini Ultra isn't out for everyone just yet. It's the VIP waiting backstage. Google revealed that they're planning to release it early next year, but they haven't dropped the specific date. So keep your eyes peeled for some serious AI action coming your way soon. Number 4. Mind-blowing speed and power. Gemini has exceptional brains and speed, 5 times more powerful than GPT-4. The secret behind this incredible strength lies in Google's TPU v5 chips, which are the high-octane fuel pushing Gemini to new heights. The TPU v5 chips provide the computational power needed to process information at lightning speed, making Gemini not just ambitious but truly formidable in its capacity to handle a wide array of challenges. Now, when we talk about speed, It's not just about being fast, it's about handling complexity with ease. Gemini flexes its computational ability, easily tackling complex tasks that would make other models break down. This means it can handle multiple requests simultaneously without missing a beat, making it a multitasking model in the world of artificial intelligence. This mind-blowing speed and power mean Gemini isn't just keeping up with the demands of advanced AI tasks, it's setting a new standard. The result is a smoother, faster, and more efficient AI experience, ready to tackle complex tasks with unmatched prowess. Gemini's speed and power redefine what we can expect from the next frontier of artificial intelligence. Number 5. Gemini Ultra outperforms GPT. Let's talk about Gemini Ultra's stellar performance. It's not just good, it's outshining GPT-4. In a showdown of 32 widely recognized academic benchmarks used in developing large language tasks, from distilling information in text summaries to answering questions and understanding the nuances of natural language, it's not just a one-trick pony. Gemini Ultra shows its ability across various challenges, making it a true all-star in language understanding. This means when it comes to tasks like summarizing content, providing insightful answers to questions, and grasping the subtleties of language, Gemini Ultra stands tall. It's a language genius that not only understands but excels across a wide range of language-related tasks. This exceptional performance isn't just a win in one or two areas, it's a comprehensive victory across the board. It speaks volumes about Gemini Ultra's capability to handle diverse language tasks with remarkable proficiency. Number 6. Gemini outperforms human experts. Gemini Ultra isn't just competing, it's surpassing human experts. In a groundbreaking achievement, Gemini Ultra stands as the first model to outperform human experts on the MMLU, known as the Massive Multitask Language Understanding Benchmark. This benchmark evaluates linguistic skills, world knowledge, and problem-solving abilities. Gemini Ultra faces a challenging mix of 57 subjects, ranging from math and physics to history, law, medicine, and ethics. Gemini Ultra is taking the lead in understanding and tackling a diverse array of subjects. Whether it's crunching numbers, delving into historical events, or navigating complex ethical scenarios, Gemini Ultra shows a level of language understanding and problem-solving that puts it at the forefront of artificial intelligence. We are now witnessing the era where AI not only matches but exceeds human expertise, and Gemini Ultra is at the forefront of this transformative wave. Number 7. Real-time learning. Let's talk about Gemini's real-time learning. Gemini doesn't just stop at being smart, it's a perpetual learner. Gemini is always soaking in new information, constantly improving itself. This real-time learning means Gemini can adapt on the fly. It's not just about knowing things, it's about knowing what's happening right now. It can personalize learning experiences, give feedback on student work, or tackle complex questions. Gemini does it at the moment. Think of it as having a personal tutor who not only knows their stuff, but is also aware of the latest and greatest. This isn't just about AI getting smarter, it's about creating a learning environment that's engaging and effective. Students of all ages could benefit from Gemini's ability to stay on top of things and provide real-time insights. Number 8. Better reasoning abilities. Gemini's got a more advanced reasoning engine. Unlike GPT-4, Gemini isn't just good at understanding. It's a master at following complex instructions and solving multi-step problems. Imagine Gemini as a problem-solving expert. It doesn't just get the gist, it excels at untangling complicated tasks. This advanced reasoning engine means Gemini can tackle complex challenges with finesse, making it a pro at understanding and executing complex instructions. So, when it comes to dealing with multi-step problems, Gemini is up for the task and has the brain power to navigate through them with ease. Number 9. Stronger common sense. While GPT-4 might have a knack for everyday common sense, Gemini takes it up a notch by generally having a better grasp of the real world and how things tick. Picture Gemini as your go-to expert for understanding real-world scenarios. This means when it comes to handling customer inquiries and providing support, Gemini does it with finesse. It's not just about giving answers, it engages in a natural and human-like way. This heightened common sense in Gemini doesn't just make it smart, it's a game changer for customer service. Handling routine queries smoothly frees up human agents to tackle more complex tasks, raising the bar for customer satisfaction. It's a virtual assistant that not only understands your questions, but also responds in a way that feels natural and helpful. Number 10. Fine-tuning capabilities. Finally, Google has crafted a specialized version of Gemini Pro for Bard, giving it some serious upgrades. This fine-tuned Gemini Pro isn't just good, it's a powerhouse when it comes to more advanced tasks. With this fine-tuned Gemini Pro, Bard can handle intricate jobs like summarization, crafting various creative text formats, and writing diverse kinds of creative content. It's turning up the dial on creativity and performance. This fine-tuning capability isn't just a tweak, it's a transformation. It means Bard, powered by Gemini Pro, can deliver top-notch results in the creative world. Whether it's summarizing information, playing with different text formats, or crafting creative content, Bard with Gemini Pro is a seasoned artist at your fingertips, ready to create and innovate. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.